Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 16th of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed it till now, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, you know that Monday is quite slow for trading, but however we have taken the trades on 5 pairs out of 10. And the rest of the pairs have not taken the U-turn. So let's talk about the today's analysis right from Euro USD. So Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 110621 and 110016 is the target price. And guys, you can see that we have seen the downward trend on Euro USD, and finally it has hit the target price. It breaks the entry here. This candle was closed below the entry line, and then it was the best time to enter into the trade in Euro USD, and finally Euro USD has gone down. So I congratulate all traders who have taken the sell positions today on Euro USD. They must have ended up with good profits. At next, we are going to talk about USDCHF, a very good satisfied signal of the day. USDCHF with a bullish expectation from 098988 and 099293 was the target price. And guys, you can see if you look at here, this candle was closed above the entries. That was the perfect time to enter into the trade. And then look, USDCHF straight moved up, and it has hit the target price with no problem. So overall, congratulations to our traders who have taken the trades on this pair. At next, we are going to talk about USDJPY. A bit slow momentum is seen today due to the Monday, and however, my signal was bullish on USDJPY from 107931 and 108205 was the target price. So if you look at here, USDJPY has breaks the entry and it has moved up to, let me put the line here, it has moved up to 108094 again, then it's dropped, but it's still above the entry. So guys, if it keep the bullish momentum, then it can go up to 108205. Okay, at next we are going to talk about the drop that we have seen today on AUD USD with a bearish expectation from 068699 and 068548 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see AUD USD has break that level from here, and then it has hit the finally target price with no problem. So congratulations to our traders who have taken the sell positions on this pair. On USD Canadian dollar, we have a losing trade. You know, we did not talk about the losing trade in our analysis. That is the trade that entered into our entry zone and then reversed from that level. However, the rest of the pairs have not taken the U-turn. I mean, they have not broke the entry. So no trades should be triggered on those pairs. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain how to use the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, like for example, it went into the lower red boundary and then it crosses it. But whenever you see that if the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary and it's going up, then you can take a buy position. Look, your USD moved up. And whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and if it is losing the momentum, then you can sell the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, scalper is there to help you with your trading. Whenever it gives the sell signal in the form of red arrow, look here, it comes with the red arrow, and then the market came down. And when it gives the white arrow to buy the signal, that's the time to buy the pair. But you should use these arrows with the red boundaries only. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. So this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to get the video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, this signal report is based on a trick. So if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for $700, and I take the subscriber to the Skype, and on Skype I teach for 3 days that how I prepare the signals. This is a very easy method, and you will be able to also produce your own signals. So guys, for any service, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.